Welcome back for another QNT price prediction analysis video, and in this video I will be giving you areas that QNT needs to continue holding above in the next coming hours, share out my pullback target areas, and also give you what I'm expecting on the long term, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures. And at the time of this recording, QNT is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also lost a significant area of support at around the $100.3 mark, which is now acting as a resistance. And in this video, I want to answer the big question, which is how low can we go here on the QNT chart in case this pullback continues. And before I give you my pullback target areas, allow me to first jump to the daily chart to give you my long-term Elliot analysis, which I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. And you can see that on the daily chart, QNT back in 2020 gave us these lows at around the $100 mark before we saw that aggressive move taking us to an all-time high above the $429.7 mark. And after seeing the all-time high, we started a bear market where we had been correcting to the lower side in this ABC corrective structure, giving me a bear market low at around the $40.1 mark. And after seeing the bear market low, we continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that we picked in a 5-wave move over here, giving us a high above the $229 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2 in the low that we managed to get at around the $84.5 mark. And there are high chances that QNT is now ready for an impulsive move to the upper side in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3, which is what we expect after seeing a pullback in the formation of that wave 2. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $387.4 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And getting back to the 4-hour chart to give you my short-term and also the pullback target areas that we can expect QNT to get into in the next coming hours, you can see that we managed to get our low down here at around the $84.5 mark before we saw that aggressive move breaking above areas of resistances, giving us a high above the $110 mark. And after getting that high, we started a pullback that has been playing out here on the charts, and there are chances that in case we get a 4-hour close below the $100 mark, which is a key area of support and resistance, there are chances that in the next coming hours, QNT is going to continue seeing further pullback into this blue target area over here, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave down there, that is the low at around the $84.5 mark, to that high above the $110 mark, giving me a pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the $97.1 mark and the $89.7 mark, which is an area within which I'm expecting this pullback to get us into, maybe fully maximize the target area. And once the target area is fully maximized, then we can expect a reversal to the upper side breaking above resistances and get above the $120 mark, which is our other area of resistance. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term here on the QNT chart. And those are my pullback target areas, and I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.